Dr. Sabyasachi. I'm a senior resident, presently continuing my residency in BHU, IMS BHU, Varanasi. I will be discussing on this Epilepsy Awareness Day today. I will be discussing about how to identify emergency situation in patients of epilepsy. So the most common emergency that we see in our day-to-day OPDs or our emergencies is a patient landing up with a condition called a status epilepticus. So by definition, status epilepticus is a type of seizure which exists for a period of more than 5 minutes. So there is a convention in neurology that time is brain. So when the seizure activity keeps on exceeding 5 minutes, then we lose billions and millions of brains. So this condition has to be awareness about this condition. The parents and the attendants, whoever are with the patient, they need to know about this condition and they have to bring the patient to us as soon as possible. So we have to know that who are the patients who are predisposed to this condition. So the patients who are on multiple drugs, patients who have a multiple seizure types. So usually in children, we see that they get polytherapy from multiple, this consult multiple people, they get polytherapy. And one problem is that parents usually when a drug is continuing for a long time, there is a tendency that this drug gets missed. So if we miss it, if the patient misses the drugs, if there is some acute stressor, that there is a sleep troubles, like there is some that the patient has not slept very well, or if there is some acute infection, some kind of sepsis or any encephalitis that the patient is suffering from, so that patient may land up in a status epilepticus. So this is a condition for children. Some children, they also can have some end organ diseases like liver failure, kidney failure. So these patients are also predisposed. The same goes with adults. Along with the these end organ failures, adults, some adults, they have a history of a chronic alcoholism. Discuss these cases. So these patients, these attendants, they need to know that they have to bring this patient as soon as possible to a hospital. Sometimes very elderly patients, they have a chronic debilitated condition. They are they have malnutrition, and following a period of diarrhea or something, they have hyponatremia, that is a low sodium. So these patients are kind of predisposed to status. So without wasting time, they should be brought as soon as possible to the hospital. I won't discuss about the management because that is another topic. Some children who have a family history of sudden deaths can have a condition called as sudden unexplained deaths associated with epileptic patients. These patients usually have a family history, and there is a sudden death due to arrhythmia. Before this condition, as you get a very less time, so the auras that are associated with seizures, they need to be identified by the parents, so for which they have to be in constant touch with the neurologist. Thank you.